Hi guys, and welcome back to my channel NAIJA News and Entertainment, the #1 channel for entertainment news and celebrity gossip happening around. For first time viewer, please don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Also hit on the bell button to get new notifications when a story drop. Nicki Minaj husband arrested, indicted for failure to register as sex offender. Nicki Minaj husband Kenneth Petty's past is coming back to bite him as he is being arrested by US Marshals on an indictment for failing to register as a sex offender, TMZ has learned. According to reports, he will be facing a judgment later today. Petty moved to California in July 2019, but according to law enforcement, he got pulled over in Beverly Hills in November, and that's when his legal trouble started. We gathered that Beverly Hills police officer made a traffic stop on November 15 and determined Petty was a registered sex offender in New York State but had not registered in California as required. He was arrested and released on $20,000 bond. The LA County DA charged him for failing to register as a sex offender. It appears he still didn't check in after that because now the feds are on his case. He was indicted in federal court for the same thing, failing to register. According to TMZ, Kenneth's rap sheet includes a 1995 conviction for first-degree attempted rape. He served almost 4 years in NY State Prison for the crime and was required to register as a sex offender. If convicted on the federal charge for failure to register, Kenneth faces up to 10 years in prison. Nicki and Kenneth hit up the Beverly Hills courthouse to get a marriage license in July of 2019, around the time the couple moved to California.